Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you Chanel's Fall 2025 Les Boutons collection. This collection consists of 4 eyeshadow palettes, 16 shades total. These eyeshadows are inspired by the elegant and sophisticated buttons that we see from Chanel's fashion house. Each shade of eyeshadow will have a different button design and a matte, shimmery, or metallic finish. They will also come with the traditional velvet pouch, but what's special about it is that each pouch will have its own unique button logo. So now let's get into the shades. First we have number 219 Boutons Couture. And then there's 209 Boutons Mademoiselle. Then we have 229 Boutons Stellaire. And lastly, we have 239 Boutons Baroque. All 4 eyeshadow palettes are limited edition and retail for $86 USD. Now, let's get into what I picked up from the collection. We'll start with my samples first. And look, my client advisor is always so generous with the samples. First, we have some skincare. I have 2 creams and 1 lotion. So here's the lotion and here's the eye cream. Next, we have my favorite mascara, Les Volume de Chanel. And ooh, this fragrance has been my favorite for the summer, Splendid. And yes, I've already purchased it in the large size. Okay, so I've already taken it out of the box. Has the gorgeous tissue paper with the sticker. And ooh, more. Look at these gorgeous stickers, y'all, from the collection. I'm going to use these in my agenda. And then I have this nice handwritten note from her. And Bleu de Chanel for my husband. He loves this fragrance. I've purchased it from her. And she got my favorite in there, Beige from Chanel. So here's what I got, y'all. Here are the 2 palettes that I picked up. So the first one here is that 219. Look at that gorgeous pouch that comes along with this one. So cute. The palette comes with 2 applicators, 1 sponge tip and 1 brush tip. And at the end, it has the Chanel logo. These rich brown and beigey shades are so beautiful and pigmented. Next up, we have number 209. Here is the button design for that one. And it's not my favorite, you guys. Not only that, neither is the eyeshadow. It was way too light for my skin tone, and I wasn't about to lose $86. So yes, I exchanged it for another shade, you guys. So I was so glad my CA was able to exchange that out, because for $86, I definitely want to be able to use the shadows, and that one just didn't work. At least not on my skin tone. Maybe if you have a fair skin tone, it might work. And so sometime later, I received the beautiful palette in number 239. Now this one was much better for me, and I'm so happy with it. And look at that button on that one. Now that classic CC, I love that. And what I love most about this palette is they all can be one and dones for that quick application. Look at those gorgeous shades, y'all. That purple and the orangey gold with that satiny pink and the coppery red. Y'all, this one is so gorgeous. Look at that. So you guys, that's what I picked up from the Chanel Les Boutons collection. So guys, what do you think of this collection? And did you pick up anything from the collection? If so, comment down below. I love to know what you got and what your thoughts are. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.